back to my video. This is part 2 of my slime video, and today me and Chantal will be making fluffy slime. So this is a reminder of the ingredients you will need: PVA glue, laundry starch, shaving foam, and food colouring of your choice. So before we start making our slime, we need to make an activator. So we need a cup of warm water, and we need to pour in 2 teaspoons of laundry starch into our Then you'll have to start to mix it in until it's dissolved. Now we're going to add in the glue to our mixing bowl. Remember, don't add in too much glue, just add a little bit because the shaving foam expands your slime. So we're just going to add in a little bit. Now, to make the slime fluffy, we're going to add in our shaving foam. So you just got to give that a shake first. And add in an equal amount of shaving foam to the amount of glue you put in. There. Now you're going to mix it. After you've mixed it for a bit, then you add your food colouring if you want to. Now we're going to mix the food colouring in. As you can see, when you're making fluffy slime, the food colouring doesn't always show that well, and it becomes a pastel-y colour. Then after you've mixed it for a while, you'll start adding in 2 teaspoons at a time of your activator. As you can see, our fluffy slime is starting to form quite quickly. And when you're making fluffy slime, you need to remember to try not to add too much activator, or else it won't be stretchy. As you can see, your slime will start sticking to your spoon. When this happens, you want to just use, you just want to use your hand and scrape it off of your spoon, as not all of it will be mixed in. To make sure your slime is done, keep using the finger test to see if it sticks to you. If it sticks, you just need to add in a bit more activator and mix it for a bit more time. Eventually it will start getting a bit more harder to mix. So then you might have to start getting your hand in there and kneading it. If your fluffy slime isn't stretchy, just add some glue in and then it will get more stretchy. But then if it's too gooey, just add in some more of your activator. And here is our slime, our fluffy slime. I hope your slime making goes well, and I hope you'll be able to make your own homemade fluffy slime. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!
Bye! Hey! Let's go! Let's go! There you go. Blow a bubble. We'll make days cake. Oh no!